Hi, my name is Ellen Murphy. I have been coming to dynamic physical therapy for several months. I am very pleased with the results that I have. I started off because I was having balancing problems, and the exercises that they gave me, I can do at home and I can keep working on it. I then started to have problem with my knees, and through exercises and the physical therapy with the electric stim and the heat, I really have seen an improvement in my function and in being able to walk. I would definitely recommend dynamic physical therapy to all my friends and family, because I really feel the people here are amazing. They listen to you. They know what you're capable of doing, what you're not capable of doing. The place is clean and it's organized, and I enjoyed coming here, believe it or not.